Can your friend send money to your Chime account? It's a question that pops up a lot, especially with the rise of peer-to-peer payments. You're probably thinking, hey, I use Chime to manage my money, it's convenient, but can my friends actually send me cash through it? Let's dive in and find out. First off, let's talk about what Chime actually is. It's a financial technology company that offers fee-free banking services. They've gained popularity because they offer features like early direct deposit access, overdraft protection, and a user-friendly app. But, can it handle money transfers from your friends? The short answer is, yes, your friend can send you money to your Chime account. Chime offers a feature called Pay Anyone that allows you to send and receive money instantly. It's pretty straightforward. Your friend doesn't even need a Chime account to send you money, they just need a valid debit card. Now, there are a couple of ways this can happen. If your friend is also a Chime member, they can simply use the Pay Anyone feature within the Chime app to send you money. It's as easy as sending a text. The money is transferred instantly between the two Chime accounts. No fuss, no fees. But what if your friend doesn't have a Chime account? Don't worry, they can still send you money. You can share your Chime sign, which is like your username within the Chime app, with your friend. They can then use this to send you money through the Pay Anyone feature. It's a quick and easy way to receive money from friends and family. However, there's a slight catch. If your friend isn't a Chime member, there might be a delay in the transfer. The money will usually take a couple of business days to reach your Chime account. It's not instant like when both parties are using Chime, but it's still pretty convenient. So, to recap, can your friend send you money to your Chime account? Absolutely. Chime's Pay Anyone feature makes it easy for both you and your friend, regardless of whether they have a Chime account or not. It's a fast, convenient, and fee-free way to transfer money. Now, let's talk about some other things you can do with Chime. Beyond sending and receiving money, Chime offers a range of features to help you manage your finances. You can set up automatic savings, build your credit, and even get a Chime Visa Credit Builder card to help improve your credit score. But that's a topic for another video. For now, let's focus on the question at hand. Can your friend send you money to your Chime account? The answer is a resounding yes. It's a feature that makes Chime even more appealing as a go-to banking option. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.